welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name's Jess. I'm a mum of 3 and I post 2 new videos a week. This is actually my first beauty video. I'd like to see how I got my hair this curly with no heat, no curling tongs and no products, then keep watching. Okay, so depending on what type of curls that you want, you're going to have to start wrapping. I wanted the front of my hair to be quite curly, so I started wrapping that first because obviously that's the first point that everyone sees is from the front. And I did it quite tight, like very tight, and then I just wrapped everything from the back around as well, as you can see. Be really careful with your hair if it is damp because it's very fragile when your hair's damp. That's why we can manipulate it to change its shape, and you need to be very, very, very gentle because you can damage your hair. I know people say, you know, no heat, no damage, but that's not true. When your hair's wet, it's very, very fragile. So as you can see, I twist it and then put it in a little bun, and I'm protecting the ends with the rest of the material. So I then secure it with a bobble, and I'm just going to do the exact same for this side of my hair. You could probably use more material. I was just being lazy, and to be honest, it really worked well. It would work even better if you put mousse in. You can see how the curls turned out. They are awesome, and I only used one strip. My mum used to do this actually when I was little, and she used lots of strips, and they came out so tight. But I was lazy and I just used one, and it still worked. I mean, I'd go out with my hair like this. There is a few straight pieces, but look at this. And there's a few kinks. Try and show you. The back is a bit straight, but no one's going to see the back. And like I say, if I'd have put more strips in, it would have gone curlier. So yeah, so I'm happy with how it turned out. And it's actually dropped a lot since this morning. It's the afternoon now. Whew, and I'm getting a sweat on. Yeah, so let me know if you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. So bye guys.